How to report a lost Chase card. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can report your lost Chase card. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser. And browser, just search for chase.com. Once you enter chase.com, you should get directly to their official website. So you can scroll through here and find an option to report for a lost card. So in order to do that, tap on the three dots at the top left. And then here you can see an option, connect with us, and then go to customer service. Then you can just go ahead and click on see help options. Now you can see all of the options that you can get help with. So the first one is replace a lost or damaged card. So if you tap on this option here, you'll see all of the information that you need to do. So you can go to sign in more option, tap on more, and then tap replace cards. Then you can just go ahead and select the card you need to replace and the reason for replacement. And when you enter the reason, that should be reported to them. Now, what else you can do is just go ahead and directly go to Chase customer support. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click on credit card. Now you could just go ahead and scroll down through these options and see if you see the card that's similar to you. You could just report it from here as well. If you tap on the card finder, choose what kind of card you're looking for. Now you can just go ahead and see if there are any numbers available that you can contact. So you can contact these numbers right here for all of the available FAQs. So if you have an FAQ about say lost credit card, you could just scroll down and then see what you need. You can see through these and contact the number. They'll just tell you what to do and just follow the instruction. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.